in a fucking excavator. My name's
Whistling Diesel.
I'm a fucking operator. Ooh, look, scoop the dirt. Dirt. My name's
Whistling Diesel.
I'm a fucking operator. Ooh, look.
A few minutes later.
I drive fast.
How fast?
In the past, we've had some videos that were titled Extreme Off-Roading.
Oh, it's just ripping that out of there. It's barely hanging on.
They weren't really clickbait, but compared to this video, those are going to be kind of clickbait because this is extreme off-roading. There's not going to be anything left in the trailer when we're done, by the way.